In this tutorial episode, we are going to be learning how to change the chat background in the Zangi application. First of all, launch open the Zangi application from your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. After you're signed in, go to the bottom right hand corner and tap on the settings button. Within your settings interface, scroll all the way down and then tap on appearance. Under appearance, tap on the background option. Then you can choose from the wallpapers displayed on the screen. If you want to choose from your device's photo album, tap on choose from photos at the top. Select any one picture you would like to add as your chat background. After selecting any one picture, you will then be able to see how it will look in your chat screen. Tap the set button at the top right and get back to the chat screen. Select open a conversation and there you have successfully changed your chat background. The new background will now be visible in your chat screen. That is how you easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.